Forbidden Love by Michaela Jean A. Cadilina. Beneath the willow, in the shade, where sunlight dared not fully fade, two lovers met, through worlds apart, with heavy breath and trembling heart. She was the daughter of wealth and name, a life of privilege, clocked in fame. He, a humble blacksmith's son, who knew his place, who had none. Their eyes first met in the marketplace, a fleeting glance, a stolen grace. But that small spark, so wild and bright, grew into flame within the night. They knew the law, the family ties, that love like theirs would be despised. Yet still they met by moonlit streams, to share their whispered, fragile dreams. Her father's halls were cold as stone, and in her world she felt alone. But in his arms she found her song, a place where she could truly belong. Beneath the willow's sweeping veil, they loved, through doom to fail. In the town, the rumor spread, love that should be left unsaid. One night, the dawn came far too soon, and with it, men beneath the moon. They tore them from the willow's bough, a love the world would not allow. But shuffled Bruce, he stood so tall, while she, in tears, faced duty's call. Her family's name, her father's pride, a love forbidden, cast aside. They burned the willow, root and branch, to cleanse a stain of their romance. But ashes can't erase the past, and even love that's doomed will last. For now, the lovers meet in dreams, beneath the stars, beside the streams, and through their world tore them apart. Their love still burns in every